So for this one, you're going to estimate the length of your pinky in inches and then measure your pinky to the nearest inch. So the first thing that you need to do is estimate. So if you look at your pinky, if I look at it, I know about this is my pinky. Well, I'd say my pinky is about 2 inches. So that's my estimate. So before I even measure, I'm going to write down my estimate. So all I'm going to do for that is write down E for estimate. So my estimate's going to be 2 inches. And then I'm going to measure my pinky. And we're going to see what it actually is. So I'll take my ruler, and remember, you line up your pinky with that 0, so there's a little bit on the end usually of that ruler. So if you can see right up here, there's a little bit right there on the end of the ruler. You don't want to start your measurement at the end of the ruler, you want to start it at the 0. So if you do that, I measure my pinky, and I'm really, really close to that halfway mark. So it's kind of tricky for you. I can't even show you on this, but let's try and do that. If I put it here, if you see next to that 0 and that pinky, I'm right about here. So I'm just barely over that halfway mark. So my guess was about 2 inches, but my actual measurement is going to be more like 3 inches. So it's okay if you are wrong. It's just a guess. Now, if I guess that my pinky was 200 inches, that would not be a good guess. But 2 is really close to 3. So as long as you're within a couple inches, that's a good guess.